Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your input and tools. Plug in a quality microphone and set sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz. Once done, install the speech SDK or local model and securely store the API key. You should record a 5-10 second sample to check gain and room noise. If levels clip, lower input gain. Make sure your application has microphone permission and that files save in WAV or FLAC for best accuracy. Next, you clean and prepare audio before recognition. Run a voice activity detector to trim silence, apply light noise reduction, and normalize to about -3 dBFS. These improve model accuracy. Then choose streaming for live captions or batch for long files and package audio as 16-bit PCM or FLAC. Once packaged, send audio with language and model parameters, request timestamps if you need phrase alignment, and set confidence. Finally, you turn raw results into usable text and integrate them. Take the return tokens and apply punctuation and casing rules, merge overlapping partial transcripts, and export as JSON, SRT, or plain text for consumers. Implement retry and exponential backoff for network errors and log confidence scores for later review. Test with varied speakers and accents. If accuracy is poor, check the sample rate and microphone, reduce background noise, and verify you use the correct language code. This single check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.